Are you having trouble to stick your landings? Here are 7 tips that will help you to stick everything. Tip number 1. Coca-Cola with extra sugar. Tip number 2. Double-sided tape. Tip number 3. Attach your shoes to where you will land. Jump inside your shoes and then you will automatically stick the landing because your shoes are already attached to where you will land. Tip number 4. Honey. Tip number 5. Crampons. These are the spiky things that you attach to your shoes while hiking through the snow in the mountains. Tip number 6. Super glue. And the ultimate tip, tip number 7. Nails. I hope those tips will help you to stick any of your landings. If you know a tip that I didn't mention in the video, let me know in the comments. Also, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, go and f*** yourself. Thank you. Bye.